Hi gorgeous, welcome to new stream of ideas. Here are some scarf styles for you. So here we are using beautiful metal string. Now roll it with the scarf like this. Now wear your scarf and tie a knot. Now let the rest of the scarf hanging down and you are done with your beautiful look. So here we are using a long thin scarf. Now pass the edge of the scarf through the buttonhole and button it up with the shirt like this. And you are done with your beautiful look. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one again we are using a long thin scarf. So take your scarf and roll it. Now wear it and tie a simple knot. Now roll both of the sides, make a loop and pass both of the edges through the loop. Pull the edges and you are done with your beautiful look. In the next one again we are using a long thin scarf. Wear your scarf and pass its edge through the buttonhole of your collar. And again button it up with your shirt. And tuck in the rest of the scarf. And you can also style your shirt to have a more stylish look. So you are done with the little setting. Your look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. So here we are using a scarf styling hook. So pass both of the edges through the hook and now bring both of the edges down to upper side and pass both of the edges through the hook again like this. Now pull both of the edges and your beautiful look is ready. This was also very simple and easy to understand. So next one is also very easy. Take your scarf, tie a simple knot and make a loop in the middle like this. Now wear it and pass both of the edges through the loop. Now set it and your simple and beautiful look is ready. This was very easy. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one again fold your scarf, wear it Pass its one edge through the folded part. Now take both of the edges and tie a knot. Now roll both of the sides and tie a knot again. Now set the edges and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like these styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.